Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the leveling leg on this LG refrigerator, lift the side of the appliance you're replacing the leg on and support it. Unthread the old leg. To install the new leveling leg, thread the leg into the fridge. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Consider using a level to be sure the leg height is adjusted correctly. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.